Engines are the heart
Carhelpout.com.
of motorsport.
It's the
They create the speed, the sound, and the drama. Think about your favorite race car. Its engine is a huge part of its identity. Without powerful engines, racing would lose its core excitement. Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service. Near me here, a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience. The new 2025 IndyCar hybrid engine is a game-changer blending traditional power with electric innovation. Fans are eager to see how this hybrid performs as it marks a new era for IndyCar. The roar of a V6 at full throttle is pure music to many fans. Engine notes connect us emotionally to the cars and are a visceral part of the racing experience. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Beyond speed and sound engines, drive innovation. What's learned on the track often shapes road cars. Technologies like turbocharging and now hybrid systems have made their way from racing to the street. IndyCar's new engine continues this tradition of pushing boundaries. It's about more than just winning, it's about progress. The future of racing is being written under the hood. IndyCar engines have evolved dramatically over the decades. Early Indy 500 cars had massive, simple engines built for raw speed and endurance. Names like Offenhauser became legends, powering the heart of American oval racing. As technology advanced, engines became smaller, lighter, and turbocharged for more power. Manufacturers like Cosworth and Ilmor pushed the limits, leading to epic engine battles in the 80s and 90s. Since 2012, teams have run 2.2-liter twin-turbo V6 from Chevrolet and Honda, producing around 700 horsepower. This formula has delivered close, exciting racing while controlling costs. Now, in 2025, IndyCar is adding hybrid technology. An electric motor joins the V6. It's a major shift, making the series more relevant and opening new performance possibilities. This evolution mirrors changes in the wider auto industry. Hybrid power is now the new frontier for IndyCar. The series continues to innovate, just as it always has. The engine story is far from over. The 2025 IndyCar hybrid unit combines the proven 2.2-liter twin-turbo V6 with cutting-edge electric tech. The motor generator unit, or MGU, acts as both a motor and a generator. It captures energy during braking, regenerative braking, and stores it in a supercapacitor-based energy storage system. Supercapacitors charge and discharge rapidly, perfect for racing's quick power demands. When the driver needs a boost, stored energy flows back to the MGU, delivering instant extra horsepower. It's like an electric push-to-pass, giving drivers a burst of acceleration out of corners. This system creates new overtaking opportunities and strategic options. The integration of electric and combustion power is seamless. It's a clever, race-focused hybrid system. IndyCar's hybrid era is all about speed, strategy, and innovation. Chevrolet and Honda are fierce rivals, but for the hybrid system, they joined forces. Both manufacturers share key hybrid components: the MGU and the supercapacitor-based ESS. This collaboration keeps costs down and ensures a level playing field as the technology debuts. Despite sharing hybrid parts, each still builds its own unique V6 engine. The engine war between Chevy and Honda continues, just with a new hybrid twist. Working together on the hybrid system shows a unified vision for IndyCar's future. Both brands recognize the need for sustainable, innovative racing. This partnership helps the series move forward and remain a leader in motorsport. It's a smart move for the long-term health of IndyCar. The rivalry is alive, but so is the spirit of progress. Hybrid tech is the new battleground. IndyCar's future depends on both competition and collaboration. The hybrid system brings a major performance boost. Drivers get extra horsepower for short bursts. This means faster acceleration and more overtaking, making races even more thrilling. Strategy becomes crucial. Teams must decide when to deploy the hybrid power for maximum effect.
Carhelpout.com.
Timing the boost could be the difference between winning and losing. But new tech brings challenges. Hybrid components add 120 pounds, affecting car balance and handling. Teams must adapt setups to manage the extra weight and new weight distribution. Regenerative braking changes how the car slows, so drivers must adjust their braking points. Mastering these new elements is key to success. The hybrid system adds a layer of complexity to both driving and engineering. It's a chess match at 200 miles per hour. The learning curve is steep, but the rewards are high. IndyCar's hybrid era promises more action and more to think about. The race is on, both on track and in the garage. New technology always brings growing pains, and IndyCar's hybrid system is no exception. Overheating has been a major concern, especially for the supercapacitor. Teams are developing new cooling solutions to keep performance reliable in long, hot races. Integrating the hybrid unit with the V6 engine and car electronics is complex. Sophisticated software and control systems are needed for seamless operation. Engineers from Chevy, Honda, and IndyCar are working together to solve these challenges. Drivers must learn how to use the hybrid boost effectively, while engineers tune the system for each track.
Carhelpout.com.
Mechanics are mastering installation and maintenance of the new parts. The learning curve is steep for everyone involved. Patience and teamwork are essential as the series adapts. Every test session brings new lessons. IndyCar's hybrid journey is just beginning. The 2025 hybrid system is a bold leap for IndyCar, but it's just the start. Motorsport technology never stands still. More electrification could be next. Future systems might feature stronger electric motors or advanced batteries. Sustainable fuels are also on the horizon, with IndyCar already testing 100% renewable race fuel. The challenge is balancing innovation with cost control to keep racing competitive. New rules must encourage development without breaking the bank. The goal: enhance the sport for teams, manufacturers, and fans alike. IndyCar's commitment to progress is clear. The hybrid system positions the series for a strong, relevant future. Fans can expect even more exciting developments ahead. The journey of speed and technology continues. The future of IndyCar is hybrid and beyond. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.